guys, Sean over here, good to have you back. Tonight's project is installing the Black Widow slip-on on the S1000XR second generation. I will be following the instruction provided by Black Widow exhaust system from the UK. And for the people who are not familiar with the Black Widow exhaust system from the UK, they have been in business for over 10 years, building nothing but race exhaust system. The way they stand out among the crowd is by using the highest grade quality, like the 3 or 4 grades stainless steel to build their headers, the pipes, and the best equipment in the welding, like the TIG welders, okay? And they're also, their slip-on are made out of painted stainless steel and the 3K weave carbon fiber tips. And they come with a removable baffle, DB killer. It's right here. By removing this cap right here, you have access to the baffle. You can remove it or keep it so you can dampen the sound. So right now, as a reminder, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up my S1000XR for the last time so you can remember what the original silencer and exhaust system sound like. Then I'm gonna bring it inside the garage and start working on the installation. So come on, follow me. Let's get the motorcycle fired up so you can remember the sound. It is in neutral, not yet. It is neutral and it is cold. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it in, pause the video or the recording quickly so I can get my tools ready and I will start with the installation with you. So I'll pause for a few minutes and I will get back. So guys, these are all the parts that are required for installing the Black Widow slip-on. This is the link for the pipe, right? It's gonna go right here and it has its own clamp. And then there is the bracket right here. This is the mounting bracket. It's gonna sit right behind the passenger foot peg. So the bracket, the washer, the locking, self-locking nut, and T-Torx. Torx had the T30 bolt. So I'm gonna hold it with the 13mm wrench in the back. And I'm gonna stop like right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna come with the, as per their instructions, so I'm gonna come this way, right? I had to get this rubber around the bracket or the strap, fit it around the strap. So here we go, right here. And we can lower this bracket or raise it the way we want, and then if we need to do some fine tuning, we will rotate the link pipe. So here, that looks pretty good to me. And I will lower this one. So turn it like this, maybe. So, or raise it up. Let's see. It depends. We need to check the space as well with the motorcycle or the frame. So that looks pretty good here. This angle right here. So we're gonna start with, as per the instruction, we're gonna start with this screw, this bolt right here, T30 Torx head, with this spacer. This one is we're gonna thread it from this side, come with the spacer, put it in, and thread that into the bracket. So everything is loose, I haven't tightened anything yet. And then we're gonna go from the back with the washer and the self-locking nut, 13mm. And now from here, I'm gonna take my time and try to fit everything nicely and torque up everything, and I will fire it up. So guys, the baffle here is removed, and let's go ahead and try it.